Welcome to our channel. Discover the fastest way to activate your Navy Federal credit card and start using it today. Welcome to our channel. If you've recently received your Navy Federal credit card and are wondering how to activate it quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Activating your card is essential to make purchases, access benefits, and keep your account secure. Here's a straightforward step-by-step guide to get you started fast. First, make sure you have your credit card handy along with your Navy Federal account information, which may include your account number, social security number, or other security details. Step 1. Initiate activation through Navy Federal's website. Open a secure browser and visit the Navy Federal Credit Union official site. Navigate to the card activation page. Usually you'll find this under the Credit Card Services section. You will be prompted to enter some information such as your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. Step 2. Activate by phone for a hands-on approach. If you prefer speaking with a representative, call the activation number found on the sticker attached to your credit card. This automated system or a customer service agent will verify your identity and guide you through the activation process. It is available 24/7, helping you activate your card at any time that suits your schedule. Step 3. Use the Navy Federal mobile app for convenience. Download the Navy Federal app from your device's app store. Log in with your credentials, navigate to the credit card section, and select the option to activate your new card. This method is especially convenient if you're frequently on the go. Step 4. Verify your activation. Once you've completed the activation steps by website, phone, or app, attempt a small purchase, or check your online account to confirm your card is active and ready to use. Step 5. Set up additional card settings. Consider enrolling in online statements, setting up payment reminders, and linking your credit card to digital wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Pay for easy and secure transactions. Remember, never share your full credit card number or personal information with anyone other than official Navy Federal platforms or representatives. Following these steps will have your Navy Federal credit card activated without any hassle. Get ready to enjoy your new benefits and start managing your finances smarter today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful finance tips and guides.